Nieces and nephews, good morning. It's early in the morning. I'm starting early doing my yellow split pea soup. It's cold this week. It's a very cold week. So let's get started on what we're going to do. This is a 32-ounce bag of yellow split peas. I soaked them in a tablespoon of baking soda for like 30 minutes. Oh Lord, they've all stuck together now, but it don't matter. See, these are yellow, not my green ones. And I've got 4 cartons of chicken broth. Now this chicken broth is unflavored, so I'm going to have to flavor that up. I like cooking this in my crock pot, and as you can see now, I may have a little splatter go on in here, but that's all right. That is quite all right. And I'm going to just break them up, because I'm going to be adding some more liquid to this. Okay, so I'm going to just break them up. My hands are clean. Okay, let's just get this started out the way. Okay, I'm in my robe this morning because I told y'all it's early in the morning. Okay, now my meat, this is all diced up. You can use ham, turkey ham. They sell turkey. You know, they had stopped selling turkey ham, but the only place I've ever seen to find it is at Wally World. So that's this is a pound of diced up turkey ham, and I have a pound of shredded carrots, mashed stitch carrots. Even though they say the bag is washed, you still need to wash them. Okay, same thing. I put just a little half a teaspoon of baking soda, let it soak for like 15-20 minutes, rinse it off 3 times. Make sure you get that baking soda, because if not, it's gonna make your soup really nasty. Gonna toss those in there. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, and I'm going to add my black pepper. Lots of black pepper. Y'all know we pepper people well. This is my soup. Caitlin doesn't eat this. Tomorrow is Caitlin's birthday, and you know, it slipped my mind until today when I looked at the calendar. Today's the 10th, and you know, she doesn't, you know, this is the first time I would not be doing a cake for her. She doesn't want a cake. She just wants a slice of this cinnamon cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. I can actually make that, but she doesn't want a whole cake. She just wants a slice, which is fine by me. But y'all know me, honey, I be watching my dollars. I don't want to give them no $12-13 for a slice when I can make that myself. But it'll still be a waste of money. So I'm not dicing up a fresh onion. I'm using these minced dehydrated onions. So I'm going my lazy mama route today. Yes, I'm in my robe this morning because, like I said, it's early in the morning, honey. I ain't got time for that cuteness factor. I'm keeping it real. Y'all know how auntie is. Okay, so this is a I don't know what this. I think this is 20 cups. I'm not worried about it. My water is really good and nice and safe. And I'm going to fill this up, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to add some more flavor to this old tasteless broth. And you know, these peas are going to soak up a lot of liquid. Yes, you know, you want my green pea recipe, just go to my playlist and under Southern American, and you'll get the green pea recipe. Okay, now what I'm going to do is add some of my this right here. I love this stuff. This is the best bouillon, chicken bouillon powder. I tell you, this is the best. I'm going to sprinkle some of this because I need to give this some good flavor. And this is going to cook about six hours. Been a little stubborn this morning. Okay, there you go. Tomorrow's her birthday. Wednesday is my mother-in-law's, and then a week after that it'll be my dearest. It'll be Skip's birthday. Yeah, it's a little stuck today. Stuck in here. Okay, there I go. Ha ha ha. Okay, there you go. Now, there you go. Add some flavor in here. Cause this this broth is cause see, I have some good chicken stock out there in the freezer, but I'm saving that for Thanksgiving to make my dressing. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. I have this on high. This is gonna cook for 6 hours. I cannot stand by and film. No, I still don't I can't remember how to work that video camera, that nice beautiful video camera that Skip bought me. You will see this deliciousness in my thumbnail, and then I'm gonna do a little short and show you how it all just come together. I cannot wait. This is one of my favorite soups, split pea. I don't care if it's green or yellow. This is soup time. You know, it's cold outside. It's time to, you know, it's cold, and you know, so I'm gonna look. Family reunion meeting. Use crock pot liners. Use these liners. I don't have time to be doing. I'm not doing all that scrubbing. I'm not. I'm not doing all that. I'll be 58 years old next month. I believe in making my life easy. Ain't doing all that. Okay, so guys, I will see you in a bit. Again, our split pea soup is so easy. Now, if you want to add peppers to it, you can add your bell peppers to it. Any kind of bell peppers you want. You can make it spicy by adding red pepper flakes, a little cayenne pepper to it. You can add Tabasco. You can spice it up. When I say spice it up, I don't add any spirits to it. Now, we're not talking about that kind of sprucing it up. I said spice it up, not spike it up, okay? We gonna get that out the way. All right, so until then, this was just a quick tutorial. This is the easiest soup that you could throw together besides vegetable. Okay, so guys, go have a great Monday. Hugs, kisses, and love to all of you. You cows can't see me on camera because I'm looking like I can't tell you what I'm looking like right now, honey, because I don't have on my bonnet. I don't have on my turban. I just have my hair braided down. And so I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye.